I don't think you're... I'm trying not to cover myself up. I'm using my Christmas lights. No, there's my camp LED sort of lights. They're straight up, and apparently it's good they're festive. But one thing I want to say is that the UFC fighters, all athletes, I think they train inappropriately. What I mean by that is that it's a lot of seasonal stuff, and I'll tell you what, screw the warm climate and stuff. Yeah, the cold might be more prone to injury or whatever else. That's the best training. Put some athletes up here in the damn suck. I'm not even up here. I'm in New Mexico in Ponce Villa State Park, and it's freaking below freezing right now. I'm 5'8" on a good day, and 155 pounds on a better day. No, I'm probably about 150 right now. And, I'm layered up and stuff, but I was able to deal with -3 up in Colorado. You want to talk about freaking trimming some fat? Keep it colder. It takes more for your body to stay warm and everything like that. And that's the problem with humanity, is that we make ourselves comfortable. It's good to be out of our discomfort. It really is. People just don't put themselves out of our discomfort nearly enough.